This is very simple if only you understand the laws of indices. Now here's the solution to this problem. We have 4 raised to the power of x plus 1 to be equal to 12, and we're asked to find what is the value of 4 raised to the power of 2x. Now this is what you need to know. By law of indices, you should know that a raised to the power of b multiplied by a raised to the power of c is equal to a raised to the power of b plus c. That means anytime the base are the same and they are multiplying themselves, if you are multiplying the two base and the base are the same, you are free to pick one of the base and add the exponent or the powers. So bringing all of this here, we are adding the powers here. That means this base must be the same. That means if the base is the same and you're adding them here, that means this is the same thing as 4 raised to the power of x multiplied by 4 raised to the power of 1. Because we said when the base is the same and you're multiplying, you can pick one of the base and then you add the powers. All of this is equal to 12. Now, this is the same thing as 4 raised to the power of x multiplied by 4, because 4 raised to the power of 1 is the same thing as 4, which is equal to what? 12. Now I can divide both sides by 4, divide here by 4. 4 will cancel out, and then 4 raised to the power of x will be equal to 12 divided by 4 is what? 3. Now we are not looking for 4 raised to the power of x, we are looking for the value of 4 raised to the power of 2x. So what I will do here is I will multiply both exponents or both powers, multiply both exponents by 2. I'm multiplying by 2 because I'm looking for the value of 4 raised to the power of 2x. So if I multiply 4 raised to the power of x by 2, that will give me 4 raised to the power of x times 2 equals to 3. Here is 3 raised to the power of 1. So this will be 1 times 2. Likewise, so I'm going to have 4 raised to the power of x times 2 is the same thing as 2x. X times 2 is 2x equal to 1 times 2 is what? 2. Now, remember we are looking for 4 raised to the power of 2x. So 4 raised to the power of 2x is equal to 3 squared means 3 times 3. And then 4 raised to the power of 2x is equal to 3 times 3 is what? 9. So I can say this, therefore 4 raised to the power of 2x is equal to 9. So the actual value that will satisfy 4 raised to the power of 2x is equal to 9. And that is the final solution to this problem. If you find this video interesting, do not hesitate. Make sure you like this video, subscribe to this channel, and share it to 5. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.